Hi, boys and girls. This is your old pal, Uncle Al. And yes, I always use puppets. Here's Puppet Uncle Al. Yeah, made from by um, Lily in the Wild. Thank you, Lily. No, I don't really look like this, but yes, I really don't look like this. My normal companion is Dino, my favorite dinosaur companion. Yeah, let's fight. No, no fighting. No, no. Okay. Uh, Okay, enough about the comedy. Now, I did watch the Democratic debate, kids, and the first round was kind of disappointing. Um, you got Cory Booker, Elizabeth Warren, Beto O'Rourke, John Daly, Tushy, it's Tushy, Gabbard, uh, Julian Castro, Tim Ryan, Bill de Blasio, Jay Inslee, and Amy Buchler. Nice folks, good districts. Only problem with these people is they don't touch with the real world, and some of their ideas way off base. And also, the solution will create even more problems in the future. Like in California, we have a big black market and smuggling racket for weapons and ammunition. A lot of the guys are stopped doing drugs and they're doing guns and ammo, which is crazy. But ask anybody, ask anyone who's not part of the state of California, Washington, Oregon, what's going on. And a lot of these people are getting mad and they're going underground to the black market or out of state or any place where they're selling arms. Now, I do warn people, your future is my past. We have 6 months, kids, before really it hits bad. And that's December 27th. Yeah, tomorrow will be about 6 months. December 27th is going to really hit the fan of 2019. It might not be SHTF in the long run, but a lot of people didn't understand what was the big SHTF in the 1919 to 1923. I have to speak fast because a lot of people get this goofed up. It was the rise of technology. We had planes, we had guns, all right, and we had automobiles, a big factor. And we went from horse and wagon and carts to those things, and it really freaked out people. Now, a lot of people didn't learn their lessons, and around World War II, the losing armies were using horse and cart. Okay, now I do always recommend this pattern for people on canned goods. I tell people canned goods is the simplest form of storing food or ready to eat meals or MREs or whatever. You want 7 days for the maximum. You can start off with 3 days. Very easy to do. And I have to do this fast because I'm on limited time. Okay, if you're in a red state, try to save up 2,500. If you're in a red state, if you're in a blue state with a lot of Democrats, like Texas, yeah, tell me, well, I seen a bunch of Texans on the screen tonight. Okay, and then make sure you have 10,000 at passport. Don't touch it. We'll be okay by August if nothing ever happens really bad. And then we have our friend Westwind now in San Diego. See what craziness I have to meet with this stupid gun laws here, Wayne. That's Westwind Survival. Please check him out. Check out Hubble's Cat. We may disagree on a lot of things, but I really like his channel. And thank you for the support, Hubble's Cat. And also, you could use this video if you want to put it into other videos. I don't care. I don't have that much time. I only got 960, I think 67 or 66 videos to go. Um, we're in real trouble. And I got Plan H and Plan I. I'm not sticking around. I'm not going to the woods like everybody else. That's nuts. I'm not going to the desert. That's even more nuts. I got my own plans. I'm staying away from people, and I know where I'm heading. A lot of you guys have no idea what Uncle Alan's doing, but he's doing it. And then, real quick, make sure everybody this month coming up in July, gargle with this. Okay, that goes for um, DMK Outdoors. Gargle with this. Okay, 3% solution. It should be on sale in the nearest discount store or Walmart. Gargle with it. You're lucky the kid only gets step and a little bit of infection. Will Patriot, go check out his channel. It's really good. Modern Refugee, also another good channel. And A.Kayfabe, fashion channel. Check those guys out. And my biggest support goes to this guy, Just in Time Prepping with Will Russell. Um, Wednesday morning at 9 o'clock Mountain Time and Saturday evening at 6 p.m. Mountain Time, unless he puts up a video. And he has also specials on Monday and Friday. Like I said, Uncle Alan's still in the dinosaur age, and I'm still trying to figure out all this high-tech stuff. That's why I don't edit it or anything, because I don't have time. And a lot of you kids don't understand what's at stake. You're going to die. Okay, I don't care if you're survivalist, prepper, bushcrafter, homesteader, unless you know what you're doing and do it well, you're going really quick. Now, last list, I do tell people to check out Extra Credit, aka check out Extra Sci-Fi, and these are the books that covers dystopias and apocalypses. We is a pretty good one. It's by a Russian author. Eugene, I can't pronounce his last name, so I wrote it down. It's a predecessor to these three. We have Brave New World by Aldous Huxley. Gotta check him out. He also gave a good quote to Edward Murrow about tech dictators, technological dictators, and digital warlords coming into the future. And he was right. Got to go check out that. It's on YouTube someplace. And Player Piano, everybody misses that. It's a great book. You should read it by Kurt Vonnegut. Okay, that's when machines take over and you're been replaced by a socialist system. That really, it sucks. So check out these video clips from these guys, Extra Sci-Fi on Extra Credit channel. And don't forget the big one right here, 1984. Remember, folks, you can't unthink the truth, no matter how hard the Democrats try. You have to unthink that, Uncle. Heard that, Dino. Okay, I do have my regular list. And let's see. I'm tired. I always go through this list really good. Sometimes I forget where I put it, but I got it. Nope, that's not it. It's a waste of time. Sometimes I go blind. Okay, we have Palmetto prepared. Let's talk about prepping with Tyler, and I forget. That's Anthony for Palmetto prepared. Tyler for just let's talk about prepping. Cheryl Hirsch for DIY fun. Little Prepper Lady. I like her channel. Seriously, you've seen California. See how screwed up the Democrats do. Now you live in New York, and guess what your future is going to look like? Prepping in Progress. Really like those guys. And Reed from Magnification Imagination That's Free channel. If you want a guy who talks about electricity, you got to check out his channel. Let me put these all away. I know it's running a little late, and I always make sure I cover everybody. I have a long list. I even write more names on it. I got a second page to that. Like I said, topic of today is uh, December 3rd, December 27, 2019. And you should be very nervous, kids. And also, for you guys right here, read this book. Seriously, I've seen some preppers, never went camping, had a backpack full of crud. I told them, walk 5 miles with a fully loaded backpack. They made it to 2.5 miles. And I said, which stuff are you going to dump? And they dumped needed items for non-needed items. And I just piled it up in my car. And I said, keep walking. I'll see you at the rendezvous point. That was 3 miles later. I keep an eye on them, but I'm not that stupid, kids. Uncle Alan's tired, but he isn't that crazy. Okay, and then for A.Kayfabe, don't forget Apocalypso Chow. Really good book. You should read that. Remember, my 3 sources of getting stuff. Arts and Crafts Store. I tell a lot of people listen to that one. Arts and Crafts Store, or the hardware store. Big box, doesn't matter. And then finally, let's see, I got my ads for Ace and Lowell's. So I always check them out, see what I need. And remember, kids, this is June, so make sure you stock up on soups, sauces, and one-can meals. Okay? Easy as pie, doesn't take too long to think. But you can open up, heat right away, and eat it. Okay, and that should be it. Sorry to take up so much time. I know I have to cover a lot of material. And don't forget, kids, July, gargle with this. Because I know stuff that you guys don't, and I'm worried about you, okay? I don't do this for profit. I don't do this for fun. Like I said, my future, or let's see, my future, your past. Yeah, that's really hilarious. Uncle Alan's not kidding. You better gargle. Once again, hydrogen peroxide, kids. And don't forget, December 27th, 2019. Catch you later, kids. Bye.